Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Datadog agent on VPS for performance visibility step by step clearly. To set up the Datadog agent on your VPS for performance visibility, begin by accessing your VPS via SSH. Use your terminal or command prompt to connect to your server. Enter the command SSH username at your _VPS_IP and replace username and your _VPS_IP with your actual credentials. Once connected, update your package manager to ensure you have the latest information. For Debian-based systems, run sudo apt-get update. For Red Hat-based systems, use sudo yum update. Next, install the Datadog agent by adding the Datadog repository to your system. For Debian-based systems, you can do this with dd_agent_major_version equals 7 dd_API_key equals your _API. For Red Hat-based systems, use dd_API_key equals your _API_key /c $curl https://s3. Make sure to replace your _API_key with your actual Datadog API key, which you can find in the Datadog dashboard. After the installation completes, start the Datadog agent using the command sudo system to start Datadog agent. To enable the agent to start on boot, run sudo system to enable Datadog agent. Next, open the Datadog agent configuration file to customize your settings. For most systems, the configuration file can be found at /etc/datadogagent/datadog.yaml. Use a text editor, such as nano, by entering sudo nano/etc/datadogagent/datadog.yaml. In this file, make sure to configure any additional settings like tags or integrations as needed. Once you finish editing, save the file and exit the text editor. To validate your configuration, run the command sudo datadog agent check config. This will check for any syntax errors in your configuration. After ensuring there are no issues, restart the Datadog agent with sudo system to restart Datadog agent. Finally, check the agent status to confirm it is running properly. Use the command sudo datadog agent status to view the current status of the agent. You should now see a report on the performance metrics collected by the agent. Congratulations, you have successfully set up the Datadog agent on your VPS for performance visibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.